Okay, I will try to be very quick. This is my result of experiment to reproduce the Snail eye tube mechanism. So this is what I have actually. It's not perfect, but the result is very fun. I try to explain what I have done for this project. So the most interesting part is this whole object. My whole object is just a simple shape with a shape key. So it's cube elongated and extruded at the base, and I have just one shape key. If I go to the value of 1, you have the result of the shape key at value of 1. Okay, that's all for this one. After that, we have the Snail eye tube. If I select it, I have inside the data, I have a group all vertex group. It's just the all vertex of the shape that are selected. I go inside and in edit mode and deselect and select from this one. I have all the shape selected. To be more clear, I will erase my other modifiers and maybe I'm going, yeah, just like this. As you can see, we have the very basic shape. Inside, I have my first modifier. It's vertex weight proximity. This is why I have made a group all. And my target object is my role object. I have proximity mode in geometry mode, because if you are in object mode, it doesn't work. I choose face mode in geometry and radius of 1.8 meter and fall off with custom curve, and that's all for this one. So to be sure, just to be more clear, if I go in weight paint mode, you will see the result of the weight paint controlled by the changing role object. And this is the result. I have an animated gradient weight paint. After that, I have a subdivision of 2. That's all. After that, I have my first shrink wrap modifier. Okay, I activate it. Wrap method target normal project, snap mode inside. The target is my role object. nothing for the offset. Vertex group all. This is the result. Okay. We have already the inside-out effect. If I deactivate it, you see it's more clear. After that, I have my second shrink qualifier and wrap method near surface point, snap mode inside, target snail eye tube, vertex group all, but inverted. This is because I need to follow the real shape, the final shape of my eye tube of snail with the bulge of the eye globe. And because all of this is linear, I need to make this forcing the geometry to shrink wrap my final shape at the end. It's more clear in animation. Okay, and the last one is just a subdivision of one to have something more smooth. So the result is like this. Some problem. I don't know why. Okay, this is just because I have forgotten to reactivate my subdivision. Just control it. And yeah, it was this. Okay, it was that. Okay. Okay. So after that, just to be clear, I have in edit mode, I have just a simple cut for the UV env, and I have a cylinder projection. If I go UV editor, as you can see, it's very basic. It's to make easy to the Voronoi effect for the texture of the eye of the cells. And that's all. Thanks to take time to look at it.